In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the YouTube icon option not showing on your desktop or taskbar. Let's get started. First, I open up Google Chrome on my computer. In the search bar, I type in YouTube and press enter to search for it. Once the search results load, I click on the main YouTube link to open up the YouTube website. Now that YouTube is open, I go to the top right corner of the Chrome browser window and click on the three vertical dots menu icon. In the drop-down menu that appears, I scroll down and hover over the Cast, Save, and Share option. A sub-menu pops up, and from there, I click on Install YouTube. A prompt asking to install the app appears at the top of the screen, so I go ahead and click the Install button to proceed. Once installed, YouTube opens up in its own app window. I can see the YouTube web page in the background, so I click the Close button on the Chrome tab to close out of the browser window. Now, with the YouTube application window open on my screen, I look down at my taskbar. I right-click on the YouTube icon that is currently running on the taskbar. From the pop-up options menu, I select Pin to Taskbar, so that the shortcut stays accessible even when the app is closed. Next, I go ahead and close the YouTube application window by clicking the X button in the top right corner. As you can see, the YouTube icon remains pinned right on my taskbar. To test it out, I click on the YouTube icon on the taskbar, and it instantly launches the YouTube web app in its own dedicated window. I maximize the window to fill the screen, and everything is working perfectly. That is how you fix the YouTube icon option not showing and create a permanent shortcut for quick access. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.